In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change game version on Steam. We'll cover two common ways to do it: using the built-in betas feature and, when the game supports it, using custom launch options. By the end, you'll know how to roll back to an older build, jump onto a testing branch, or switch to a specific version the developer provides. First, let's use the betas method, which is the most reliable and widely supported. Start by opening Steam and heading to your library so you can see your installed and owned games. Find the game you want to change, then right-click it to open a small menu and choose Properties. A new window will appear with several sections on the left. Click the Betas tab. This is where developers publish alternate branches. These might be older stable versions, hotfix branches, or experimental test builds. Not every game has them, and some require a code from the developer, but most public options show up in a drop-down list. Open the drop-down, select the version or branch you want, and Steam will immediately schedule the necessary update. You'll see it begin downloading and applying files, and the time it takes depends on the size of the change. Keep the game closed while this runs. When the update finishes, you can click Play from the library. Many games display the active version number on the main menu, so you can quickly confirm you're on the branch you selected. If you ever want to return to the default build, come back to the Betas tab and choose the option that indicates no beta branch. Now, let's look at launch options, which some games use to control versions through command line flags. Right-click the game in your library again, select Properties, and look for the Launch Options field on the first page. If the developer supports version switching this way, they'll provide a specific command for you to enter here. Type the exact flag or parameter they document, close the window, and launch the game normally. Because these commands are game-specific, always follow the official notes or support articles for the correct wording. If the game fails to start or doesn't switch versions as expected, you can clear the Launch Options field to undo the change. A couple of closing tips. Switching versions can involve large downloads and may affect save compatibility, so give Steam time to finish and consider backing up important saves if the game warns about version changes. With that, you're all set to manage your game versions on Steam smoothly and confidently.